Hey, everyone! Welcome back. Today we have an exciting product to review, the electric vacuum sealer for mason jars. If you're into home and kitchen gadgets, this one is a game changer. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Now let's get started. So what makes this electric vacuum sealer stand out? Well, it's designed specifically for mason jars, providing a convenient way to seal and preserve your favorite foods. The sealer comes with adjustable sealing levels, compact design, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Now let's talk about what users are saying. I've been testing this out for a while and I must say the reviews hold up. Users love the ease of use and how it extends the freshness of their stored foods. It's not just a sealer, it's a freshness keeper. Alright, let's break it down with the pros and cons. However, it's essential to keep in mind that everyone's experience may vary, so it's good to be aware of both sides before making a decision. In conclusion, the electric vacuum sealer for mason jars is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. It's practical, easy to use, and helps you preserve your food for longer. If you're a fan of mason jars and want to take your food storage game to the next level, this could be the gadget for you. Check the link in the description to grab yours. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Have you tried a similar product, or is this something you're considering? Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.